today our activity is to read newspaper. So firstly I tell you why newspaper reading is important. Newspaper reading is very useful for us. It increases our knowledge and fluency of speaking English. So I am starting. Kurukshetra Bee Center at expert level lab to test honey. The Integrated Beekeeping Development Center IBDC in Kurukshetra is all set to get a new high-end expert level laboratory to test chemical parameters, antibiotic residues, pesticide residue, heavy metal analyze and nuclear magnetic resonance NMR in honey. The project is coming up at a cost of rupees 20 crore, of which rupees 14 crore will be spent by the state government, while the remaining rupees 6 crore will be spent by the central government. The IBDC was established under a bilateral agreement between India and Israel in 2017 at a cost of rupees 10.50 crore. There is already a honey testing lab, bee disease diagnostic lab, value addition lab, and a honey processing and bottling unit at the IBDC. This is enough from 9th standard. Now I am reading newspaper. The Punjab government has decided to cancel the tender allotted to a private company for the lease of a prime piece of land along the sea coast in Goa. The tender for development of the 8 acres was allotted for 15 years for only rupees 1.13 lakh per month. Top functionaries in the state government told the Tribune that the Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann had said that a notice of cancellation will be served for only the company as the tender was allotted at a very low price. It was allotted to the concessionaire during the tenure of the previous government without taking prior approval of all stockholders in the joint venture company that owned the land. A cancellation notice is being prepared and will be issued to a concessionaire J.K. Stores. After getting it legally vetted, the Chief Minister has given the go-ahead for the same.
All of you, my name is Antim and now I am starting reading newspaper. In a major achievement, the state government has completed 98.60% of the target set under the Amritsar Sarovar mission. Under the scheme, a total of 1,650 pounds are to build in the state, out of which construction of 1,627 has been completed. These include 558 model pounds and 1,069 Manrega pounds. The target revolution remaining Amritsar Sarovar should be completed by June 30. Develop more details in this regard, Executive Vice Chairperson, Haryana Pound and Wastewater Management Authority. Prabhakar Kumar Verma said, under the leadership and the guidance of CM Manohar Lal Khattar, the Haryana Pound Authority is swiftly working on the renovation for the ponds across the state. He is
from 9th standard. Today I read a newspaper. After Punjab missed out on the chance to host an ODI World Cup match, BCCI Vice President Rajiv Shulka said the current stadium in Mohali did not meet the ICC standards, adding that the international body consent is extremely important in financing the values from the tournament. Virat Kohli's 100th century test last year was given to the Mohali. Shukla said the Mulhapur stadium is get time ready.
Very good.